Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious coconut chickpea, which is a very vegan friendly recipe. So for this you are going to be needing 2 cans of chickpeas, and I went ahead and rinsed off my chickpeas under some cold water. You are going to be needing 1 Roma tomato, 1 clove of garlic chopped up, and then 1 small onion. And I have a wedge of lime that I'll be using just to garnish my food. And you'll be needing some cilantro. And I'll be using a pinch of this crushed red pepper just for a little bit of heat, and 1 can of coconut milk. And of course we are going to be needing some curry powder. And I will be using some olive oil, and of course some salt and pepper to taste, and just a little bit of water. Please check the description box where I will list everything I used in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. To get started, you want to go ahead and turn your stove to medium high and go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I like to toast my curry before I make curry anything. So this is approximately 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to go ahead and toast it until the curry color changes to like a light golden brown color. It should not take long at all to do it, and make sure you don't take your eyes off your stove. Alright, as you can see, my curry is looking nice and toasty, and now you want to go ahead and put a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, make sure all that curry is mixed into that oil, just like that. And now you want to go ahead and put in your garlic powder, but first I think I'll put my onions first. Okay, and put in that garlic. And I am going to saute this just for a few minutes so that garlic smell can just infuse in that oil. And now you want to go ahead and put in your tomatoes. I forgot to mention to you guys, you are going to be needing a couple bay leaves as well. So now I'm going to allow this to cook for another minute or so. I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little bit of water, nothing too crazy. Okay, if you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat, and also on Pinterest. And don't forget to go subscribe to my other YouTube channel where I only speak Haitian Creole. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my coconut milk. And the link for all those social media are listed down in the description box. So you make sure you check out the description box so you can see the links to everything. So as you can see, I added that coconut milk. Now I'm just going to allow it to cook just for a minute, and then we can go ahead and put in our chickpea. So now you want to go ahead and take that chickpea and put it right in the party. And at this point you want to reduce your heat to like a medium low, because we are going to allow this to cook for a good 10 to 12 minutes. But this is where you want to season it, of course. I know my curry had a little bit of salt, but I'm gonna go ahead and taste. And it's definitely not enough, so I'm going to start by adding just a little bit of salt, and you can always add a little more salt as you go. I'm going to go in with a little bit of black pepper as well. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of heat, just because I like a little heat to my food, but this is definitely optional. Okay, so now we're going to let this simmer down for 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and chop my cilantro, or you can use parsley if you have that on hand. All right guys, it's the final moment. This looks absolutely delicious. And of course, I forgot to show you that I added the bay leaves, but I did add it in. This looks so good. As I mentioned before, I am going to be eating it with some white rice. So I'm gonna go ahead just to taste it with the rice with you guys. So I have some white rice here, and I do have a white rice video on this channel, but I believe I added Maggi cube in that rice recipe. So if you are a vegan and you're trying it, just make sure you keep that Maggi cube out of it. I'm going to just put some cilantro on the top. You can definitely put cilantro in your pan if you want to, but I just like to put it in my bowl, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to give it a taste with you guys. And you guys, we are not vegan, but my family and I do enjoy eating a meatless meal like 3 times out of the week that we do that, and this is one of them. So I'm gonna give it a try. Of course, it's so delicious. Sometimes we do black beans and white rice and that's it. But this is absolutely delicious. If you are vegan, or even if you're not a vegan, you definitely want to give this recipe a try. This is so delicious, full of protein, everything you can imagine. But thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And if you are a vegan, let me know. Or if you enjoy vegan friendly meals, let me know down in the comment below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.